Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to convert a Word document to a PDF for free using Microsoft Print to PDF. Microsoft Print to PDF is a built-in feature that comes with Windows 10 and 11 by default, and it's super quick and easy to use. I have this Word document that I want to convert into a PDF. First, I'm going to open it and go to File, then Print. Make sure you have Microsoft Print to PDF selected as your printer. If you are using Windows 10 or 11 and do not see Microsoft Print to PDF listed in this dropdown, I have another video showing how to enable it. You can find the link to that video down in the description below. Once you have Microsoft Print to PDF selected, click on Print. Instead of printing it to paper, it will save it as a PDF. So here you will give the PDF file a name, and you can also choose the location where you would like to save it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And now we have a new PDF file. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.